bell peppers, or sweet peppers, are a vibrant and versatile vegetable widely enjoyed around the world. Their origins trace back to the Americas, specifically to the regions of modern-day Mexico, Central America, and northern South America. Indigenous peoples of these areas first cultivated bell peppers long before European explorers arrived. They were not only a food source but also an integral part of the cultural and medicinal practices. These early varieties of bell peppers were quite different from the ones we consume today. They were smaller, often more bitter, and much spicier. However, their importance in cuisine was already well established, with many Native American communities using them in a variety of dishes, both for their flavor and nutritional value. When Christopher Columbus and other European explorers discovered the Americas in the late 15th century, bell peppers were among the many new foods introduced to Europe. They quickly spread across the continent, with cultivation methods evolving as they were integrated into European agriculture. The introduction of bell peppers into European cuisine marked a significant shift, as they provided a new and exciting flavor profile, unlike any spice known in Europe at the time. Initially, bell peppers were not as popular as other New World crops, such as tomatoes or potatoes, but their relatively mild flavor eventually caught the attention of European cooks. Over time, the bell pepper was bred to be larger, milder, and more colorful, becoming a staple in kitchens worldwide. By the 17th and 18th centuries, bell peppers began to be grown in various parts of the world, especially in the Mediterranean and Asia, where they thrived in warm climates. The development of different color varieties, including red, yellow, orange, and even purple, added to the pepper's allure. These peppers were cultivated not only for their culinary uses but also for their aesthetic appeal. The bell pepper's unique shape, resembling a bell, made it an attractive addition to gardens and markets. Its versatility in cooking, ranging from raw salads to roasted or stuffed dishes, further fueled its global popularity. The pepper's mild flavor and ability to blend into various types of cuisine helped establish its place in international dishes, from European ratatouille to Asian stir-fries. In the modern world, bell peppers have become a ubiquitous ingredient in kitchens worldwide, with a significant presence in both home and commercial cooking. Advances in agricultural techniques have allowed bell peppers to be grown year-round in greenhouses, making them widely available in every season. The global trade in bell peppers is vast, with the largest producers being countries like China, India, Mexico, and the United States. Over the years, bell peppers have undergone further breeding to improve their shelf life, taste, and resistance to diseases. As a result, the modern bell pepper is larger, sweeter, and more robust, catering to the growing demand for fresh, flavorful vegetables. In addition to their culinary uses, bell peppers are also packed with nutrients, particularly vitamin C, making them a healthful addition to any diet. The evolution of bell peppers from their humble origins in the Americas to their status as a beloved vegetable worldwide is a testament to the adaptability and cultural significance of this vegetable. Today, bell peppers are enjoyed in countless dishes, from salads and salsas to pizzas and stir-fries, with each culture incorporating them into their unique culinary traditions. Their global journey from ancient agricultural practices to modern-day supermarket shelves reflects the interconnectedness of the world's food systems. As bell peppers continue to grow in popularity and availability, their rich history and continued evolution remind us of the power of agriculture to shape and connect cultures across the globe. As bell peppers continue to evolve, researchers and agriculturalists are working on developing new varieties to meet the demands of a changing global environment. Efforts are focused on breeding peppers that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and climate fluctuations. With climate change posing challenges to traditional farming methods, scientists are exploring ways to enhance bell pepper cultivation through biotechnology, which could lead to more resilient crops that require fewer pesticides and water. Additionally, the development of genetically modified bell peppers could improve their nutritional profile, offering higher concentrations of vitamins and minerals. These innovations may be crucial in ensuring that bell peppers remain a sustainable and reliable food source in the future. In recent years, the popularity of bell peppers has extended beyond the kitchen, with their role in the health and wellness sector becoming more prominent. As people increasingly seek to improve their diets and live healthier lifestyles, bell peppers have gained recognition as a nutrient-packed superfood. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and dietary fiber, they are widely considered an excellent choice for those looking to boost their immune system, improve skin health, or manage weight. The vibrant colors of bell peppers, especially the red and yellow varieties, are indicative of their high levels of vitamin C and beta-carotene. As health trends continue to emphasize plant-based diets and the importance of fresh vegetables, bell peppers are positioned as a key player in promoting overall well-being. Furthermore, bell peppers have taken on a central role in culinary trends, especially in the growing popularity of plant-based diets. As veganism and vegetarianism continue to rise in popularity, bell peppers are being used in more innovative and creative ways. Chefs and home cooks alike are experimenting with bell peppers in everything from plant-based, meat, substitutes to vegan stuffed peppers, where they serve as a hearty and nutritious filling for a wide range of plant-based ingredients. Their mild flavor and crunchy texture make them an ideal base for plant-forward dishes, and they are increasingly seen as a versatile alternative to more traditional sources of protein, such as meat. Bell peppers, in this context, not only meet the demands of a health-conscious world but also contribute to the global shift toward more sustainable food practices. In addition to their health benefits and culinary uses, bell peppers also play an essential role in the agricultural economy of many countries. As one of the most widely cultivated vegetables globally, they are a significant crop for farmers, providing income and employment in rural areas. The trade in bell peppers also fuels economies, particularly in countries like Mexico, where peppers are a key agricultural export. With the rise of consumer demand for fresh, local produce, bell peppers have become a vital crop in the supply chain for supermarkets, restaurants, and food service industries. Moreover, the increasing focus on sustainable farming practices has led to a rise in organic bell pepper production, catering to the growing consumer interest in organic and pesticide-free foods. Looking ahead, the future of bell peppers appears bright, with new opportunities on the horizon for growth, innovation, and sustainability. As technology continues to advance in agriculture, bell peppers will likely become even more accessible and affordable, ensuring that they remain a staple in diets around the world. Whether through the development of more resilient varieties, their growing importance in plant-based diets, or their increasing recognition as a superfood, bell peppers are poised to continue shaping the way we eat and farm. Their journey from ancient crop to modern-day food icon underscores the importance of this humble vegetable in both our historical and future food landscapes. As bell peppers continue to grow in popularity, their environmental impact is also being carefully examined. As a crop that thrives in warm climates, bell peppers require specific growing conditions, including plenty of sunlight and consistent temperatures. However, the demand for bell peppers in colder regions has led to the rise of greenhouse farming. While greenhouse farming offers many benefits, such as year-round production and reduced exposure to pests, it also comes with challenges. The energy consumption associated with maintaining the optimal growing conditions for bell peppers in controlled environments raises concerns about sustainability. As such, sustainable farming practices, like the use of renewable energy sources and water-efficient irrigation systems, are being integrated into bell pepper production to reduce their carbon footprint. This approach aligns with the growing demand for sustainable agriculture practices that prioritize environmental preservation alongside food production. Another emerging trend is the use of bell peppers in innovative food products beyond the traditional fresh and cooked forms. As the food industry embraces new technologies, bell peppers are being incorporated into a variety of processed foods, from dried peppers and pepper powders to bell pepper-infused oils and sauces. These processed products make bell peppers more versatile, allowing consumers to enjoy their distinct flavors in new ways. The development of bell pepper-based ingredients for soups, smoothies, and even plant-based snacks is part of the growing trend toward incorporating more vegetables into everyday foods. With the rise of functional foods that emphasize health benefits, bell pepper products are being marketed for their antioxidant properties and high vitamin content, further elevating their status in the global food market. The cultural significance of bell peppers continues to thrive, especially in cuisines that have long embraced their use. From Mediterranean dishes like ratatouille to Mexican salsas, bell peppers remain an essential component of many beloved global dishes. Their role in these dishes extends beyond their flavor. Bell peppers also serve as a symbol of cultural identity and regional pride. For example, in Hungary, bell peppers are used to make paprika, a spice that is foundational to Hungarian cuisine. Similarly, in the Middle East, bell peppers are often featured in stews and roasted dishes, adding not only flavor but also color and texture. The versatility of bell peppers across diverse cultures demonstrates their enduring importance in culinary traditions worldwide, making them a common thread that connects people across continents. Bell peppers are also being recognized for their role in promoting biodiversity in agriculture. Many farmers are incorporating bell pepper cultivation into polyculture systems, where multiple crops are grown together to promote a healthier and more resilient ecosystem. By planting bell peppers alongside other vegetables or companion plants, farmers can improve soil health, reduce pest populations naturally, and decrease the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides. This method of farming, known as agroecology, fosters greater biodiversity and allows bell peppers to thrive without relying on intensive monoculture practices. As the demand for organic and environmentally responsible food continues to rise, the integration of bell peppers into sustainable farming practices will be critical in shaping the future of agriculture. As consumers increasingly value food transparency and traceability, bell pepper producers are responding by offering more information about the origins and growing practices behind their products. Many bell pepper brands are now providing consumers with detailed information about where and how their peppers are grown, including certification of organic or sustainable practices. This level of transparency not only helps consumers make more informed purchasing decisions but also strengthens the relationship between producers and consumers. With an emphasis on ethical sourcing and food integrity, the bell pepper industry is adapting to a marketplace that values sustainability, quality, and social responsibility. As this shift continues, bell peppers are likely to remain a symbol of both delicious food and responsible agricultural practices, bridging the gap between modern consumer demands and traditional farming methods.